Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1610 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that's the in-room breakfast dining menu. That's the floor plan on the back of the door. Right there, we have the master light switch for the room together with the do not disturb switch. Right here, we have the ironing board and iron. While right here, we have the in-room slippers, bathrobes, torchlight, hangers, and a shelf right above for storage. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have a floor to ceiling mirror, which is actually also the door for the bathroom. As you enter the bathroom, we have the bathtub right there with the bath mat. We have towels down there, mirrors, the shaving mirrors right there with a power outlet, couple of glasses, the sink, bar of soap, bottle of body lotion, towels, box of tissues, and within that wooden box right there, we have the bathroom amenities. Down there, we have the hairdryer together with the bin. And right here, we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup. So we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Off to the right of the handheld shower, we have the usual shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And not to mention, there is a place to sit right there. Here we have the toilet with a couple of toilet rolls. And if you think the bathroom is too dark, we have the light switches right here. And it's much brighter right now. If you want an even brighter bathroom, you can always open the door right there so you can let the light from the bedroom into the bathroom. Okay, moving on, we have a place to put luggage right there with a drawer, storage below with the weighing scale, and right above we have a shelf for storage and a place to hang items on. There is a light right there. With the pantry area, we have bottles of water, power outlet. Here we have the snacks with all the tea and coffee making stuff, glasses, mugs, spoons, and whatnot. Here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you can still put your own items in there, and the first round of drinks in the fridge are complimentary. Here we have shelves with a kettle. Right here we have the connecting room door. Down there is the bin. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the recyclable items to one side and the regular waste to the other side. There we have a flat screen LG TV. And it's a twin bedroom, so we have one bed right there, one bed right here, and the bedside table in the middle. Climate control panel for the room is right there. And down below we have a power outlet. Okay, it's apparently locked. So you can open it, but you can actually slide this door open to see the bathroom. Okay, so back to the bedside table. We have storage, a drawer, again for storage. We have the TV remote with the TV guide beneath the remote. Writing materials right there, in-room telephone, clock. All the various light switches for the room with power outlets and USB-A ports. With a couple of lights right above. There's also a light strip behind the headboard. And right there we have the desk area with a chair, storage surfaces, a light, lights behind the panel right there, sofa area, a table, and the view out of the window. You can see the buildings around the hotel, Penang Hill in the distance. That is Kelawai Road right there. I believe that's the hotel's swimming pool. It could be the residence's swimming pool as well, I'm not sure, but there's a swimming pool right there. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1610 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.